Hi, I'm Priyanka Shaw at Asian Paints. Today we are here to set up the entire thing. हमारे पास जो भी services है, we'll be providing you and I'll taking you through the journey कि हम as an Asian Paints क्या-क्या customer को opportunity दे रहे हैं to see, to live their own house. हर घर कुछ कहता है. Let's begin. So as you can see that we have this designer lights, जहाँ not just designer light, we are also dealing with this functional light. हम यहाँ ये दिखा रहे हैं कि what are the different type of categories we are having. So यहाँ White Teak हमने हमारा जो brand है that is White Teak, that is with Asian Paints. You are seeing that we have this designer range services and हमारे पास जितने भी है we have functional lights, all the variety of lights है which you can see in the websites. And यहाँ if just a small demo of the chandelier that we are having here to give that raindrop वाला effect. ऐसे और भी बहुत सारे varieties है which you can actually have a look while browsing our website. It's just not thing you can feel and actually have a true experience कि Asian Paints क्या करता है. Coming forward, we are also dealing with this furniture service. We have this recliner, a very comfortable recliner जहाँ लोग बैठे they can actually experience the comfort, the cushion, the luxury that ये क्या बोलता है and accordingly we can move ahead. It is very spongy, we are very competitive in the market and we can actually deal with it that how we are going with the journey of Asian Paints. It is not a small thing but Asian Paints coming up just not paint but in the decor industry. Moving forward with the window. This is a UPVC window, so which we are giving a proper solution that we have also come up with doors and windows of UPVC. People can come and visit our nearest stores and get an idea that how that live look is going to be. Okay. Then coming towards the decorative light, this is a stand light which you are seeing it. We have more other categories to showcase there. We have just put few just to get a customer experience कि overall service कैसा है. Moving forward, again with a luxury 3-seater sofa. If you sit, you will be seeing the comfort. We do customization of sofa, design as per your choice, legs as per your choice, giving a royal effect and to know that how is the overall luxurious life would be. What you have seen earlier, this is again a sliding window just to show an effect that how the overall look is going to be. We come with this mesh service to give you the overall so that you can also enjoy the exterior side of the world. Moving forward with this beautiful designer effect, you can see the table. We have other multiple designs to give an effect of how the overall look will come out to be with royal luxury. You can actually have a look that just not a true how the inspiration will be. So Asian Paints is just not a paint category anymore. It is a decor product which will be showcasing you throughout the journey by giving a 3D effect how your entire house is going to be. You can see the rugs from flooring to furnishing to decor to kitchens to bath. So these are the services which we are providing, be it furniture, UPVC window, lights, bath solution, tiles, fabrics, furnishing, wooden flooring. It is a one-stop solution for any customer walking down to the counter, getting it that wow effect that how their dream house is going to be. And with Asian Paints, we always assure you that this is the reality is.